Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Anno 1800 using an easy method. We'll begin by selecting a small island, which simplifies early management and resource gathering. Prioritize establishing essential production chains, such as wood and bricks, to meet your population's basic needs. Keeping a close eye on your economy is crucial. Aim for a positive income and sufficient resources to avoid early setbacks. This foundational approach sets you up for smooth expansion. Once your initial settlement is stable, it's time to expand. Upgrade your population from farmers to workers, then artisans, to unlock more advanced buildings and goods. This progression is key to growth. Next, set up efficient trade routes with other islands or AI opponents to secure resources you cannot produce locally. Don't forget public services. Fire stations and police are vital for maintaining order and preventing disasters in your growing city. To truly thrive, optimize your production. Utilize the blueprint tool to plan efficient city layouts, saving valuable resources and time. Consider specializing islands for specific production chains. For example, one island for heavy industry and another for agriculture. This maximizes output and simplifies logistics. Diplomacy also plays a significant role. Form alliances for mutual benefit or engage in strategic warfare, when necessary, to secure vital territories or trade advantages. For advanced play, delve into research and development to unlock powerful new technologies and items that can significantly enhance your empire. Maintaining high worker happiness is also paramount. Happy workers are productive workers, and unhappy ones can lead to riots. Keep an eye on their needs and provide amenities. And speaking of reading, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.